There are plenty of hurdles facing the UK-China relationship, but one area that's been largely insulated from tensions is trade. The Asian country is the UK's fifth largest trading partner, with business worth more than $110 billion a year.
The business communities of our two countries should deepen existing cooperation in trade, in goods, traditional financing, manufacturing, nuclear energy, and infrastructure.
But China's ambassador in London said companies were facing strong headwinds as a result of political tensions. They include disagreements over the future of Hong Kong and retaliatory sanctions over alleged human rights abuses in Xinjiang, something Beijing strongly denies. All issues that are impacting business confidence. Over the past 2 decades, China's economic clout here in the UK has increased dramatically, with a golden era of relations ushered in under former Prime Minister David Cameron. But the environment for businesses feels very different today, with a lot more resistance to Chinese investment here, particularly in sensitive parts of the economy. The most high-profile example was telecoms firm Huawei being banned from the UK's 5G networks. Despite the challenges, the economies of both nations are intertwined, and global problems like COVID-19 and climate change will require cooperation.
Over the past 20 years, Chinese exports to Britain have increased by 892%. Over the same period, British exports to China have increased by more than 900%. Now, as many of you know, recent research by the CBBC shows that some 130,000 jobs across the United Kingdom depend directly on trade with China.
China creates opportunities for the UK rather than poses a threat. I believe the British people, who are well known for their good sense of history and pragmatism, will come to an independent judgment about this.
Recently arrived, the new Chinese ambassador in London says he's hoping to reset strained relations at a critical time for both countries, more than 70 years after the UK became the first major Western nation to recognise the People's Republic.